I love sucking. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am so funny admin and make sure you subscribe, honey.
I need you back on it, girl. Riding like a pony, girl. It's all yours, baby. It's all yours, baby. Don't think I'm cheating on you, girl. Don't think I'm creeping on you.
I'm doing this video because some of you guys are new and doesn't really know me that well. Y'all just be watching me doing my makeup and other things. So yeah, I play some fun facts about me y'all might be interested in to know. I can't believe I'm doing this. So first fact about me, I love sucking and biting people's cheeks. I mean, I know it's weird, but yeah. Especially if you have some chubby cheeks. When I was younger, I had this cousin. She had chubby cheeks. I used to give her my food just to play with her cheeks for the day. Girl, if you're watching this, I am so sorry. Oh my god. Fact number 2. I used to be afraid of boys. I always think if you talk to a boy, you will get in trouble. My favorite body parts are my teeth. They both have a name and I named down there too. I don't have a brother, but when I was younger, I asked my mom to make one for me, but she didn't. I don't have any tattoos. So I have 2 piercings, 1 in each ear. I like riding bikes. I got my first job after I turned 18. I'm shy sometimes. I'm not allergic to anything. I am so emotional. I cried over everything. Cry baby. I bought my first car at age 20. Yes, thank you Jesus. I drink water a lot. My room always have at least 1 bottle of water. I love ginger tea. When I'm on my period, I don't like to eat. Everything look nasty in my eyes. I don't know. I'm not a morning person, but I am trying so hard to be one. I'm not that tall. I think I'm 5'2". I'm so short. My worst pet peeve is when my hands are wet and I accidentally touch a fur material. Ugh, oh my god. I get really uncomfortable when people watching my videos in front of me like hear my own voice. It's just so annoying. I failed 3rd grade. I felt so dumb going to the same class. I love bread. I love seafood. Oh my god. I can eat that all day and every day. I like dancing naked in front of my mirror. I don't like going to the beach. I'm afraid of the waves. I love pizza, but I'm trying to stay away from it because it makes me gain weight. I am afraid of heights. I'm so good at reading people. Like, I can see what you're up to. Like, if you come to my life or somebody's life, I can see what you're up to. Are you a demon? I'm afraid of dogs. I love dimples. I don't have a lot of friends. I like homemade food. I can sleep in the dark. I don't like being touched by strangers. I love kids. I like open toe shoes like heels and flat sandals. I like baby monkeys. I think they are cute. I don't really like eating breakfast. Negative people annoy me. I love flowers, but I don't like teddy bears. I like diamonds and glitters. I love bananas. I love taking pictures. I don't like going to the hospital. I like homemade medicine, like boil a leaf to make tea. I love talking to myself a lot. And people be looking at me like I'm crazy. I've been having some real conversation with myself. I don't like phone calls. If it's not going to be a serious conversation or you're not that close to me, I prefer text. I don't play any sports. I can't sleep on my back. It's so uncomfortable. I like jewelries. I don't like when people stare at me for too long. I am an extrovert. I love being alone. When I was younger, I had this kind of teeth. I think I was like 4 or 5 years old. I got bullied a lot. I used to be very insecure about my teeth. Alright, that's it you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video and learned something about me. If you are new on my channel, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell to receive notification when I post a new video. If you guys haven't checked my last 2 videos, go ahead and check them out. And I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.